Hello! How are you today? I'm doing very well. And I'm glad you are here with us today. So, we've been talking about appliances or housewares, things we have in the rooms, different rooms. We've talked about fan. We talked yesterday about fridge. By the way, did you do the exercise I asked you? Great. And today we have something different. If we use fridge to cool things, to make things fresh, we use this new appliance to heat things. To heat things. And we spell it like this. M-I-C-R-O-W-A-V-E. And the appliance is correct. Microwave. Microwave. Do you have one at home? Yes, Mom has one in her kitchen. Microwave. The Portuguese equivalent is micro-ondas. Microwave in English, micro-ondas in Portuguese. Can you please repeat the word? Microwave. I'm listening. Great, great, wonderful. So fix the word microwave. And now some sentences. And the first sentence goes like this. Microwave is an appliance we use to heat food. Let me repeat the sentence. Microwave is an appliance we use to heat food. Can you please repeat now? Oh, you want me to repeat it again? Good, let me do it. Microwave is an appliance we use to heat food. Microwave is an appliance we use to heat food. Okay, it's your turn. Good, good. You see, if you practice, you will do it correctly. Microwave is an appliance we use to heat food. The second sentence, it's a question. And it goes for you. Do you like microwave food? Do you like microwave food? Please repeat the sentence. This is an easy one. You can do it. Okay? Great, great. That's good. That's good. You can repeat it one more time. Do you like microwave food? That's it. And our last sentence goes like this. Please turn on the microwave to heat your food. Please turn on the microwave to heat your food. Yes, please repeat. To heat your food. Please turn on the microwave to heat your food. Good. Now we're going to give you, yes, that practical exercise. That practical exercise. Write the words fan, fridge, microwave. Fan, fridge, microwave. And now you're going to put them together as in a crossword. Palavras cruzadas, crossword. Put them together, linking the common letters to make a crossword. Palavras cruzadas. Crosswords. Words that linked to each other through one common letter. Palavras que se ligam através de uma letra em comum. So, crossword. Will you do that, please? Yes. Good. So, I hope I'll see you next time. Until then, please stay home. Stay safe. See you next time. Bye bye.